In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Intercom for customer service agents. By the end, you will know how to open your inbox, choose a customer conversation, assign it to yourself, write a clear reply, and then send your message and close the chat properly. Start by looking at the left navigation menu in Intercom. Find Inbox and click it. This is the main workspace where incoming customer messages and ongoing support threads are collected. If your team handles multiple inboxes, make sure you are viewing the right one for your queue. Taking a moment to orient yourself here helps you avoid replying in the wrong place. Next, scan the list of items in the inbox and select a conversation. Click directly on the conversation you want to work on. When it opens, you will typically see the customer's message history and any previous replies. Read through the most recent messages carefully so your response matches the customer's situation. If the conversation includes earlier context, reviewing it can prevent repeated questions and can speed up resolution. Once you are ready to handle it, go to the top of the conversation and click Assign. This takes ownership of the chat, which signals to your teammates that you are actively working on it. Assigning also helps prevent duplicate replies and keeps accountability clear. After you assign the conversation, keep an eye on the thread for any new messages that might arrive while you are typing. Now move to the bottom of the conversation where you will see the composer. Click into the composer and type your reply. Keep your message clear and organized. Use short sentences, include any necessary details, and confirm what you have done or what the customer should do next. Before sending, quickly reread your response for tone and accuracy, and make sure it addresses the customer's last question or request. When your message is ready, click Send and Close. This sends your reply and closes the conversation, which helps keep the inbox clean and focused on active issues. Only close the chat when you are confident the request has been fully handled or the next step is clearly in the customer's hands. That covers everything you need to know.